At AMA, we provide people with professional development by hosting networking events and professional workshops to help our members grow both personally and professionally.
One of the many ways we offer networking and connections is by hosting guest speaker events and site visits.
Within AMA, we have our very own in-house marketing agency where we offer hands-on learning and real-world experience to our members to gain better insight into the business world.
Every year, AMA UIC participate in an international collegiate conference in New Orleans where we all compete against each other in professional competitions.
To help our members' development, we offer workshops and certifications for all of our members to help grow their professional development and build their resumes.
AMA offers exclusive programs for our members to help build leadership skills and help a guided career path.
We also offer our Aspire Mentorship Program, which helps mentees and mentors explore career interests.
We help our community by hosting volunteer events that all of our members can attend and add to their resumes. Along with that, we have social events so members can get to know each other more and have fun.
Along with that, we have support from our wonderful sponsors that believe in AMA as an organization.
You can visit our website, amauicchicago.com.
After joining our website, make sure to come visit us at our weekly Tuesday meetings at 5 p.m.
You can check us out on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Facebook.